Bobo, why are there only a few vegetables today?
Wild vegetables are getting harder to find.
Bobo, what do you think about this place? It has sunlight, water, and it is close to Mother Luna. I really like it.
Here, take this.
Wow, thank you, Bon.
Oh dear, are you all right?
Hold it like this, see? Got it. That's much better.
Healthy soil helps plants grow strong, just like Bobo needs to eat good food to grow bigger and stronger.
Father Bon, why do we have to prepare the soil so carefully? Welcome to the forest, kids. Let's find some seeds.
Wow, look at the tomatoes!
I found some beans, Bon.
Father Bon, will the plants grow tomorrow?
To have a beautiful garden, Bobo must learn to be patient and wait. Don't forget the dry leaves. Let's make a fence for protection, but I don't see anything yet. Mother Luna, Bobo works hard every day, but the plants still haven't grown.
Long ago, these
Father Bon, Mother Luna, the plant has grown!
Do you see now? Patience is always rewarded.
Thank you, Father Bon and Mother Luna, for teaching Bobo how to grow vegetables.
You're welcome, Bobo.
From today on, Bobo will take care of the garden every day. All right, family, the carriage is ready.
Yes, Bon, let's make sure everything is secure for the market.
Mommy, Daddy, I helped. Morning, everyone. The market is just ahead. Oh, look at those beautiful flowers. We're gonna see so many things. Oh, look, Bon, so many people. Yes, Bobo, it's the market.
Wow, fruits.
Welcome to the market. Take a look.
These are the freshest around.
Come closer, come closer. Oh, these look wonderful.
Here are the ripest tomatoes, sir.
Thank you, Luna. They look perfect. Mama, Papa, I want to help too. Almost done, Luna. We've got everything, Bon. I helped, Papa. Look at all these beautiful colors, Bobo. Wow, look at that. This purple one is just perfect for Aunt Tilly's blanket. I'll miss this place.
Me too, Bon.
Goodbye, everyone. I'll see you soon. Time to go. Goodbye. Almost there, family. It's beautiful, isn't it? Look, birdies. We made it home. Time to get these supplies inside. Oh, these fabrics are lovely. Wow, so many things. Mama Luna, is this hat for Bobo? Yes, my little Bobo. Mama wants to make a warm hat so you won't feel cold when playing outside.
Bobo looks very handsome in Mama Luna's handmade hat.